You cannot kill a man whose path is paved by God. Zanapenda mashoko kuda pangwa ine kuno kwa kunzi. Na vya VP Costa no Chiwenga ya 2018-2019. Zvinozozikana kuti VP Costa no Chiwenga vakarwara. Pangwa inoi yakunyaso ku gain attraction. People they are more concerned by now just because they know that this was a calculated attempt, a calculated attack, and a calculated assassination on VP Costa no Chiwenga. But despite all the actions and all the money which was budgeted for the destruction of VP Costa no Chiwenga, generally survived. Zabira mashukobda nyuko pangwa ili ndipo subscribe or like on the bell icon. So when Costa no Chiwenga, you can't kill a man whose path is paved by God. General Chiwenga is still standing to finish the job, leading the Zimbabwe to become the Canada of the South. They tried to stop the general, but God said, not yet. God saved the General Chiwenga to save Zimbabwe from Canada. It had not budgeted for a living Chiwenga. They were expecting to receive his lifeless body from China. This man is the next president of Zimbabwe by the will of the Almighty God. Don't show pangwa inoi ne citizens in Zimbabwe, especially the Zimbabwe Xhosa, these are supporters, staunch supporters of VP Costa no Chiwenga, reminding the people of what happened, reminding the people not to forget. KUTYA, VP Costa no Chiwenga survived a lot from the bushes, from the liberation war, from these attacks, White City Stadium bombings, pangwa inoi, youth and body attacks. Just that the VP Costa no Chiwenga is destined for something. Pangwa inoi, people wakamirira kutakatiwa na General Chiwenga who will navigate through. Pangwa inoi kurukono kwa kunzi. General Chiwenga pangwa inoi panema attacks. Arukone kwa kunzi. Ari meant for him. At the time yatukona kuti he is standing with the constitution achistopa zvakananda kuti zviendere mberi ne2030. Pita comment section video dzakura inyi mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muzanzo subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.